When you're doing Gyprock, you want to leave it up 10 mil from the floor. All right, first sheet's up. So now we get these cuts. I'll probably do this in a full sheet. A bit of an update. So done 2 coats on everything now. So now I'm going to give that a few hours to dry. I'll give it a light sand. Righto, so that's all nice and lightly sanded now. So now I can finally do my last coat, which is my top coat, and then we'll give that 24 hours to dry.